What up, guys? It's your boy here again, AB Forex. I know it's been a while, but trust me, I'm always available. Yeah. I'm here with another secret on how to make money, like money from DERIV. So please, if you are watching this video, watch till the end. Don't skip any part of this video so that you won't miss any part of it. Please watch till the end. And if you are new to this channel, please kindly like, subscribe and share this video. Please share the video, and also follow us on Instagram, please. Okay, with that being said, let's get into our chart and see what the market has for us. Okay, while waiting, okay, now today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to take sniper entry. So normally I do tell my student that if you are analyzing the market, any pair you are trading, first of all you must analyze from the daily time frame. You must go to your higher time frame to know and see what the market is doing, so that you can know the market movement. So my higher time frame is 1 hour, that's H1, H4, D1 and W1, that's weekly time frame. And my smaller time frame are M15, M5, M1. But I do execute my trade using M5. That's my smaller time frame. That's the time frame I do take my trade. So this 30-minute time frame is like a time frame that is dividing the smaller time frame and the higher time frame. So let's see how we can analyze the market together. So first of all, you go to your daily time frame. Now I analyzed this trade before I took it earlier, so let's analyze it again together so that you can see and know things clearly. You can see things clearly yourself. So now, for us to know the movement of this market, this is our weekly time frame. So for me to be able to see the market movement clearly, I bring out my trend line. You see, the weekly time frame is creating a triangle pattern. You can see it's creating a triangle pattern. So now, if you really want to see this market clearly, like what you have drawn here, you go to your daily time frame. So now you have clearly see what the market is doing. You have clearly see what the market is doing here. So I took this trade. I didn't take it earlier. I would have taken the trade from here because this is another trend line. I just saw this trade late this morning. So I took it from this point. So guys, if you really want to see what the market is doing, you analyze from your higher time frame. You break it down by coming down to the daily time frame so that you can clearly see what you analyze from the higher time frame. So now you can see I've crossing another trend line from here. So now what I need to do is for me to go back to my daily time frame and see. You can clearly see that what the market is doing is creating a triangle pattern. Now what are we waiting for? We are waiting for a breakout. If the market is going to break out from this line and retest, then the movement continue, or break down from the downside. It's going to break down from the downside, then a retest, and continue its movement. Can you see the what I analyzed there. So it's very clear, and it will enable you to know the direction of the market. It will enable you to know the direction of the market. So we move down to our H4 time frame. So you have seen what the market did here. You can clearly see that a retest from this and a retest from this. So we move down to the H1 time frame. You see. So I took this trade from my smaller time frame. Like I normally tell you guys, I normally tell my students that once you are done analyzing from your daily time frame and you come to your smaller time frame and check your chart and it corresponds with what your daily or with what your higher time frame is doing, you execute the trade, you take the trade. So the market was creating an head and shoulder pattern. It was creating head and shoulder pattern. So what enabled me to take this trade was I brought in another line out, and the market was making the same angle pattern, triangle pattern. So I waited for a breakout. So I was specially waiting for it to break out, either upside or downside. So as I was looking at the market now, it broke out from the downside and it gave me a retest. So I took the trade from this point. So guys, if you use this strategy I'm showing you, you will definitely make money from DERIV. See, what makes you a forex trader is you being in the market, making money consistently, not making money today, the next day you blow the account. You make money today, you make money the next day, then the next coming day you blow the account. No, you are not a forex trader. What makes you a professional forex trader is how long you stay in the market. Is how long you stay in the market. If you make a profit today, the next day you double the account, the next day you double the account, the next day again you double the account, you are making money in forex. You are a forex trader. That means you are disciplining yourself. You have discipline for yourself and you have patience, waiting for the market to hit your analysis points. So from what I analyze here, you can clearly see what the market did in the higher time frame and the lower time frame. So I took this trade and you can see I'm in a profit of $20. Let's go to the next pair I took a trade on. So if you just follow the trend, trust me, you make money from the market. Now, what makes me take this trade was the same. The market made another pattern in the smaller time frame. Let me not show you that first. Let me go to the daily time frame and let's analyze together again. Now, this is our weekly time frame. We bring out our trend line. So now you can clearly see what the market is doing now. The market is in a downward trend in the higher time frame. And what are we looking at? We want our smaller time frame, our lower time frame to correspond with what we are seeing here in the higher time frame. You get? So now let's check our daily time frame. You can see what the market is doing here very clearly. You can see what the market is doing here. So why I took this trade was I brought out another trend line. You can see the trend line I brought out. I brought out another trend line from the trend line I drew from the weekly time frame. So I went down to my H4 to check things, and you can see clearly where this market is heading to. This market is heading to this point. Let me show you. It's heading to this point. So that means that this market is in a downtrend in our higher time frame. So what are we expecting our smaller time frame to do now to give us the pattern? We are expecting our smaller time frame to be in a downward trend. So now let's move to the M5. You can see what the market is doing. You can see. So what made me took this trade is that when I came to the market, I saw a pattern that the market created here, head and shoulder pattern. I do tell my student that this market respects this pattern, head and shoulder pattern. Can you see? This is the head. This is the head. Well, what's wrong? I'm coming, guys. Let me delete some of the tools I have here in my chat. Maybe that's the cause of it. Okay, this is the head. This is the left shoulder, and this is the right shoulder. Can you see? Very, very clear what the market did here. I don't even need to explain much for you. You can see this yourself. Now, I took this trade at this point because I saw that this market is in a downtrend. So I took this market at this point. You can see this point. I took this market here, and I took the market here, and at least it gave me $4. The market gave me $4, and it's still going down. So where am I expecting my take profit? At this axis, at this point. Can you see that? I'm expecting this market to come down. I'm expecting this market to come down to this point. Can you see that? So trading DERIV is all about patience and having a very good view of the market. If you analyze the market well and you wait for it patiently to hit your trend line, you will definitely make money. At least I do have losses from forex, but it is not compared to before. It is not compared to before. So if you are making money from forex, it is based on your analysis, on what you do. You analyze the market and you wait for it patiently before executing the trade. Before taking any sniper entry, you know that you have analyzed this market very, very well, and you wait for it patiently to hit your support or resistance before you take a trade. So let's delete this so that we can see the market very clear. I want you to view the market from what I analyze here, what we analyze here together. I want you to view everything yourself. Let me check another pair if we can analyze any other pair. This pair, volatility 25, let's analyze together and see. Now this is our weekly time frame. From what we are seeing currently now in the market is going to retrace. The market is going to retrace. You have to draw your trend line very accurate. You have to draw your trend line very well. Please, if you have any question, just put it down on the comment section. Or if you want to chat me up, you can chat me up directly on WhatsApp. My number is on the description below. If you have any question, I'm always available to answer you. So now we have drawn our trend line on the weekly time frame. Now let's go to our daily time frame and see what we have there. Boom, you can see this yourself. Very, very clear. Very, very clear. Now, what will you need for you to execute this trade? You cannot just see this trade like this and say, it has hit my resistance trend line that you need to enter the market. No, you need to analyze more and be sure before entering the trade, so that you be on a safer side. So now we move to the 4-hour. You can see that the 4-hour is creating a pattern there, a pattern like double top. So you move to the 1-hour time frame and see what the market is doing. Also, you can see in the 1-hour time frame, the market is trying to create an head and shoulder pattern. This is the head. Can you see that? This is the left shoulder and this is the right shoulder. So what are we looking for in this market now? You can clearly see that on the higher time frame, weekly time frame, that this market is in a downtrend. So, and this market will definitely retrace down to this point. Oh, what is making it? Let me show you this. I need to show you guys this. This market is going to retrace. Okay, let me use this. What is happening? Okay, let me delete some of the things we have here. Okay, let me delete this and this. It's not coming up. What is happening? Okay, so I needed to show you guys this. It is very, very important. This market is coming down to this support line, but it won't move straight like the way I draw it on this line. It won't move that straight. It will move in a zigzag form. So for you to catch up on the trend is for you to analyze in. It's for you to take your entry in the smaller time frame. Now, what we are seeing here is the market is heading to this point before a reversal. So this market will head to this point. What is wrong with this thing now? Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Like and share this video, please. Thank you very much. Like and share this video, please. Subscribe. So in the smaller time frame, this market is retracing here. If I'm taking any entry in this market, I will patiently wait for it to hit this resistance. Are we seeing? I'm going to wait for it to hit this resistance before taking the trade.